Alright, we are out here the next day. Got some more fish bites and some real bloodworms. We're gonna do a comparison, see which one catches more fish. Ooh, it's a good one. What the heck? Ooh, look at this croaker. Whoa, not bad. Yeah, this is the biggest croaker I've seen in a while, dude. Woo. 8 and almost 9, 8 3/4.
Oh wow.
Damn. Oh shit. 8 3/4. Croaking. See you, buddy. Whoa. What the heck? What's this? Yeah, dude. It has to be. Oh my, maybe it's. Don't tell me it's another stingray, dude. Please don't be a ray. I think a ray will be fighting a little harder, but I don't know. It's definitely head shaking a lot more. Oh, big old catfish. All right, got this decent catfish, but the GoPro was off, of course. About 23 inches. About 4.5. Oh man, this camera's good. 4.5 pounds. Not bad. Let's give this guy a release. Don't want any more catfish today. Huh? 4.5. See you, buddy. Thanks for the fight. I'm catching all of this on this FishBites. I think it's bloodworm imitation. Little tiny pieces. My first time using it. It's actually working out pretty well. So far, I've got 4 different species on it. Catfish, white perch, spot, and croaker. Pro angler with the live well. Gotta go back to College Creek and catch a bunch of them. One-ounce egg sinker on the line. Snap swivel, call them or not. You can either snelled hook right on this. You can tie a hook on yourself. The leader. Circle hook. I can't remember what knot this is called. Just an overhand knot. Twist this about 6 to 10 times, I guess. Through the loop. Just like that. It's down. Here it is. It's my live bait rig. Circle hook. Snap swivel. 1-ounce egg sinker. Ah, got one. Got one? Yep. Oh, it's a little LY. Oh yeah. Got a little LY with my bare hands. Catching bait with your bare hands. Let's go. Come on. Ah, I got another one. Yep. Ah! Yeah. Oh, come on. Catching bait with your bare hands, baby. Do live bloodworm versus FishBites artificial bloodworms. There we go. Let's see. Bloodworm, #1, check. Fish #2, let's see what we got. 1 for FishBites. Can't say it's a trophy. This is not even big enough to use as bait. Another point for FishBites. Woo! We're evened up. Woo! Perfect bait size spot. A 3-2 for bloodworms. 1 up for bloodworms. I've only rebaited FishBites 1 time. I've had to rebait bloodworms 3 times now. Ooh, fat spot. Fat spot on a bloodworm. That's a good eating spot right here. 4-2 for bloodworms. Uh-oh. Getting a significant lead. For those of you who've never seen bloodworms, these things have teeth. This thing comes out, bites you. Oh, another big spot. 5-2 for bloodworms. This is not looking good for FishBites. Ooh, it's a nice one. What's this? FishBites making a comeback, baby. It's the biggest spot today on FishBites. Oh, blackback. Another point for bloodworm. Oh, shit. You know, the day we want small fish for bait, all we can catch is these fatties. 10-inch perch. Someone lost their floaty.
So just like
stop for a quick bite and get back out there.
strong man of the year.
Spritzing my tree off. Oh, Addy perch. Yeah.
Well, my dad didn't already play music. I'd be like, go for it. Because like you didn't.
And here, got some soy sauce and sesame oil mixed together. Woo. Ow! Salt and pepper. Just a tad. Right? Real simple, real fast. Egg fried rice. Woo! Got some perch filleted up. I'm gonna cut these spot a little differently.
How many seasoning you use, guys?
I got. Rinse these bad boys off. Get these guts out. Make some slits in them, just like this.
Out there.
One all breaded up, ready to go. Fill the whole bottom oil. That's a good one right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. I think you cooked the bones out somehow.
So when you fry them up enough, it takes away. Yeah, they get crunchy.
Oh, they are crispy too. Those look like
Look at that. That's not a bad lunch. Not very much, but you know.
About to kayak backwards and work on biceps on the way back in.
Meaning that some of that spot belly meat.
Hell yeah. What's that?
I'll try some belly.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's go for it. Is this crunchy enough, maybe? Crunch right through the rib bones.
Dude, this is like picture perfect right now.
Yeah, dude.
Like,
It really is.
this is like what you would put on a commercial if you're advertising fish.
Get back in mind,
Last piece of fish. Got a quick lunch. Try to go catch some more fish.
Maybe it's
Look at this guy.
chupacabra.
Oh yeah. This one feels significant. Oh, double up. Yeah, double up. Perfect bait size. Oh, croaker. Two croaker, yep. It's the coolest fish. Come on, croak for me, please. Croak. Croak. Man, okay. One more time, come on. Please. Oh, I got a fish just sleeping. Sitting here. Oh, a little kitty. On the fish bites. Little channel cat, I think. Right? Is it a channel cat? What is this? Yeah, tell me, guys. All 10 of my viewers, tell me what this is. God dang. The blonde fisherman. Jeez. Taking a fish on a walk. This is a nice action shot. I'm like getting all these angles. Oh, that's bigger than the one I got yesterday. Oh, whoa. Woo. Jesus. I think that's a good enough comparison. 9 for fish bites and 12 for bloodworms. But probably had to rebait the bloodworms, double the amount as I had to bait these things. Here we go. Live lining time. Fish on. Fish on. Oops. Small rockfish. Finally. Finally got my first rockfish at the bridge this year. Little 15-incher. Very small, really skinny. Good old Rapala shad wrap right here. Deep, 11 feet diving. See you, buddy. Thank you. Woo! Oh! Here we go. Sure. We're a decent rockfish, I think. Woo! All right. On the big spot. Little football. Finally got some luck live lining. It took more than 24 hours. Sheesh. $18 just shy of a keeper. Hey, I'll take it though. Still fun.
19 to keep.
Yep. Do this, just gotta give him a nice release. Oh no! Good way! Oh, there he goes. Yeah. Watch this one coming in, it's big. So you gotta be attentive out here. You can like go from calm to like this any second. Woo! These are those big ones coming from that ship probably. Alright, well, couldn't get the keeper rockfish like I wanted, but still a decently successful day. Caught a good bit of croaker, spot, white perch, catfish, a couple smaller rockfish. Cooked up some food. It was okay, decently successful. Hopefully get a keeper rockfish here soon.